Welcome to the video, Duncan here, and we are at the newly remodeled Arkansas Museum of Fine Arts, and today we're going to take a walk through on their grand opening and see some of the art's been displayed, but the thing I'm most interested in is the architecture. Let's take a look. Welcome to Duncan Builds. Let's get going. Now I'll be honest, when it comes to art, I don't really know that much. I know what I like, for example, sculptures made out of used tires, and I know what I don't like. For example, old paintings of white people. But if there's one thing I do know a little bit about, it's architecture. Under the direction of renowned architecture firm Studio Gang and in association with Polk Stanley Wilcox, the Arkansas Fine Arts Museum has undergone a stunning $142 million transformation that was made possible and entirely funded by donations from the community and from businesses. The renovation included expanded galleries, educational makerspace studios, a restaurant, beautiful landscaping and a sculpture garden, and even a children's area. But before we get into all of that, we should really take a look at where it started. The previous museum grounds were composed of 9 structures, resulting from a total of 8 architectural additions and remodels over time, resulting in a mixed collection of spaces that really lacked in any sense of identity, architecturally or otherwise. However, this new design is meant to showcase the power of sustainability and community-focused architecture. The entry pavilion welcomes visitors with a warm-toned terracotta exterior and a unique folded roof that evokes the natural beauty of the Ozark Mountains. This pavilion also includes a public gathering space that can accommodate a range of events and activities, and presents itself as a clear and accessible point of entry into the museum. The expanded galleries feature flexible and adaptable spaces that can cater to a range of exhibition needs. One unique design feature is the use of natural light, which bathes the galleries in a soft glow, creating an inviting environment for visitors to explore. The galleries also feature a mix of traditional and interactive exhibits, ensuring that visitors of all ages can engage with the art in a meaningful way. The new spaces also include several maker studios that provides a space for artists and visitors to experiment and create. These areas are accessible and welcoming to families and provide a new way to engage with the museum exhibits, and they even offer classes to the public. The museum also now offers amenities such as the new restaurant. Park Grill is a culinary masterpiece offering a unique dining experience in the heart of Arkansas Fine Arts Museum. Executive Chef Patrick Herron leads the charge with a menu that boasts contemporary American fare with a creative twist. The restaurant's prime location next to the museum's park entrance offers breathtaking views of the museum grounds and MacArthur Park. Whether you choose to dine indoors or al fresco, Park Grill provides a variety of dining options to suit your needs. Plus, for those seeking a more intimate setting, private dining options are also available. The museum has expanded its programs to include a diverse array of social events that are sure to catch your interest. One event that I made sure to experience is Wednesday Spins, a perfect way to elevate your midweek with art, music, and drinks. Enjoy the happy hour specials and a live DJ set while relaxing in the cultural living room, or take a tour of the museum in the evening. So one of the things that's most interesting about this space in particular is the acoustics that are provided by this ceiling structure. Now, I don't know how well this is translating through the microphone, but it's actually quite loud in here. And as you can see, it's quite a cavernous space. But despite the volume of noise in here, it's not echoey, it's not overpowering, it's just loud like a normal room. And I would have to say that's 100% the result of this ceiling, because there is nothing soft in this room to help deflect the noise. Quite clever, very clever. With everything the museum has to offer, it really has become a great place to spend an entire day. Thanks to the generous funding that made this project possible, the museum has become a vibrant and engaging cultural hub for visitors of all ages. The transformation of the Arkansas Fine Arts Museum is now complete, and it is a sight to behold. The restaurant is now open, and classes are now available to book. Studio Gang's design has truly transformed the museum into a stunning and unique space that will serve as an anchor point for Little Rock and will delight visitors for years to come. I highly encourage you to visit it.